Hi traders, just want to give you an update to the Aussie dollar. Now before I do, we still have a number of risk news items coming out that can affect the Aussie dollar. Notably, this evening, 10:30 PM Queensland time, we have the US core PPI and PPI data. Then, 4 o'clock in the morning, we have the US FOMC statement, interest rate decision. Expecting no change there. Press conference, and then in the morning on Thursday, we have the Aussie job figures. And also at noon, China industrial production. So a number of highly volatile news items coming out that can definitely affect the direction of the Aussie. So it's maybe worth starting to understand what price action is doing, but waiting, stepping aside until these items are released before engaging in the market. So with that in mind, let's drop into the charts. Alright traders, so I just want to review the Aussie dollar day chart today. Of course, as I've just said, we've got all these news items coming out, so I'm just waiting for those news items to pass. But on the day chart here, we're at a critical area of resistance, and this is April's high, 68.05. We pretty much traded at that level yesterday after the US CPI data release. This is May's high, 68.18. Now, May's high was higher than April's high, but it then reversed all the way down to a lower bottom down here. So we created some form of double top here. The question is, over the next few trading days, are we going to form a triple top in this area? Of course, one of two things are going to happen. We've got the news items coming out. We could simply trade through this area. If we do, over the next 3 to 4 trading days, we should be looking at 68.18 to become support, potentially for a move higher. However, at the moment, we can see on the last 2 candles, we're getting some wicks on these candles, and the daily resistance level at 67.71. We traded a couple of pips above that level the day before. Yesterday we traded above, but both days were closing below that level. So I'm just sitting on hands at the moment. We may well get a further move up to test 68.05 today, especially after the FOMC statement. We may come up to 68.18, but then do we start to see another sell-off? Alright, so tomorrow's close, do we further close below 67.71? If we do, that could then be the telltale sign that we're going to see a reversal down from this area. So over the next few trading days, watch the 67.71 level up to 68.18. Do you see a price reversal forming? Can you see your setup to sell for a move back down the range? And long term, if we do fail up here at this strong resistance area, we could definitely see another move back down to the 65.73 weekly support area. And finally traders, if you have the time, join me at tonight's webinar. You can register by using the link in the description below.